Okay, students, using differentials, you have done innumerable number of problems you have done. In sometimes you might have completed even 2 or 3 sums also, depending on the nature of you. That is what I wish to say, because some of you may be interested in doing sums, some of them learning the sums. Learning means you may be learning even umpty number of problems, but while you are doing only, it is a much difficulty. See, what is the difference between practice as well learning? Learning, you can continue to learn, but practice only very few only can do. So, while you are practicing sums, you might be finding it difficult while you are doing problems. What are the problems that you do? What are the problems that you face? How to solve or how to do? So, before that, any kind of differentials or derivative sums, first of all you have to recall differentials simple formulas, like 6 to 7 functions for formula I said, those formulas learn thoroughly. So, anyhow, maths you should not memorize, formula you have to memorize. So, once you memorize the formula, once you acquaintance with the formula and you can register the formula, then you can apply into the sums. Application is so simple, but how to apply it, that is what we have to see. How to apply? See, any sum if you could see, you can see immediately on the spot. If you start, then it is ridiculous. You cannot do even a single sum. So, in what way we can solve the sum? So, see the problem here. In exercise 10.4, last exercise of differentials, second sum, find the derivative of this, because the problem is given all derivatives 10 or 15, 26 sums given, but it is single sum. So, find the derivative dy by dx. Derivative means what? We have to find out dy by dx. Here how many functions involved? Can you say? Can you say how many functions? By seeing, it is 2 functions plus plus. Here one function, here another function. But in that function, how many functions involved, can you say? That is also difficult for you. Here x power log x. X power log x, is there any formula exist? No formula, because x power x n means there is a formula. X power x, there is no such formula. So, that means we have to go with some other process. Okay. Here also see log x power x. So, here also power term involved with x. So, use some strategy to make things easy for you. So, what I am going to do, let y is equal to, this is u, this is v, remember that. I would like to keep this one as u and v. Why I just taken this value as u and v means, in order to make the sum is simple. So, okay, after differentiation of both functions, what else I will get? This will become du by dx. This is dv by dx. In other words, this is u dash, this is v dash. So, this is what I wanted to get, this is what the result. As make it a star here. This is what I wanted to do for the entire problem. Will the problem is completed or not? Not yet. We have started only the initial stage. So, let me take first stage as u here. So, consider u is equal to x power log x. As I told you, any term involved with x as power term, what you have to do? What you can do? You can do. That is, any term power term means all the time taking log take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Okay, once you take logarithm on both sides, what happened? Log u log of x power log x. Remember that. Log u log of x power log x. That means what else? This will come to numerator. As you know, log of m power n, n log m. Remember that. This one you have to recall. In second topic, basic algebra, log of m power n is n log m. Based on that, this is considered to be n. Bring it to the numerator, so this side. So log x into log x, this one. This log x remains, this power comes here. So which means both are like terms, log x the whole square. So log u is the term. We have to differentiate now. Now only we are going to start with the differentials. With respect to what? X. Remember that. So you don't forget to think what you are going to do. So I am going to differentiate with respect, in short I have written, remember that, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. That means what else here? Log u means 1 by u du by dx. Log u is 1 by u, and again this u with respect to x, and here x power n. Now only we are going to recall the formula. X power n, differentiation is what? N x power n minus 1. N x power n minus 1. Here n is what? 2 log x whole power 1. But with that it is over or not? Not yet, because this involves two terms. This involves two terms. Function of function. Function of function means what? Already this is nothing but x power n. Again log x is logarithmic function. Now it involves two functions. One is algebraic, another one is logarithmic. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. So into 1 by x. So this u you carry over to numerator. Now the left hand side, du by dx equal to u, this 2 in numerator, log x, that x is in denominator, that x, this x. What about u? What we assumed, that you have to write, that is x power log x 2, here this 2 you bring it to the first part, log x whole divided by x. Dear students, you should not, x and x should be cancelled. Sometimes no, it may be joking like. So you may take this and x and sometimes this x. By seeing itself, you can cancel everywhere x. Ridiculous. It's funny. So you should not do like that. This is logarithmic. This is a term called algebraical term, but at the same time x power log x. This is also like logarithmic functions, e power x like. So that is, we cannot do so anything, let it be. That means this is nothing but u dash. So first part I completed. And then what else I do? Take second value, v. Like how I have done for u, the same way I have to continue with v also. So now log x whole power x. Log x whole power x. Here also, whenever happen to see x as power, remember in your mind, register your mind, always take log. Students, what else? What else you have to remember? happen to notice power as x, when you are differentiating, immediately you have to note down log. What is it? Log. Take log. Here how I have done the same process, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So here what else? Log v, log of log x whole power x. Remember that power gone up here. So here there is a function of function like log of log x whole power x. Remember that. As I told you, log m power n, n log m. Here this x bring to the numerator. You bring it to the numerator, and front term, that is x log of log x. Now log v. Students, what I have done here, I am going to differentiate here. Now how many functions involved? This is something different. Remember that. Here u, this is v. Once again, product rule. In v also there are two functions involved. Remember that. How many things we are applying here? You must remember the formula. D of uv, u into du by dx plus v into dv by dx. U dv by dx, remember, v du by dx. Like this you can write. So okay, now let us take this here. Differentiate. Differentiate with respect to, I have written short form, to x on both sides. You must understand what I have written here. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Simple expressions. Many teachers use, right? Even you can write in exam too, right? Like this way. Log v, as usual, log x means 1 by x, but here with respect to x means 1 by v dv by dx. So here keeping x and differentiating v like this. Differentiating v, log x is what? Here involves with 2. That means 1 by log x. Once again this log x become 1 by x. Here function of function. So twice we differentiated. Plus log of log x, then x differentiation is 1. Now you can carry over this x and this x getting cancelled here. That means 1 by log x, remember that, plus log of log x. Log, the function is log x and 1 by log x. If you want, you can take simplification. If you do not want to take, let it be as it is, don't do anything. And this v we have to carry over the other side. So dv by dx is equal to v bracket 1 by log x plus log of log x. V is what? Once again we have to rewrite this part. What else? We can rewrite as v is what? Log x power x, and this term 1 by log x plus log of log x. So this is nothing but dv by dx. Now all the term we have written, almost we have completed everything. This we can take it as v dash, better. This is 2. And I have done already u dash. Now we have done v dash. Finally we have to write u dash plus b dash is the solution for the problem. Therefore, substitute 1 and 2 in star. Star means it is like an equation here. Instead of giving some numbers, I given star. Substitute now. What will get now? Here dy by dx becomes, both you can combine here, 2x power log x by x plus log x whole power x bracket 1 by log x plus log of log x. In this way, we have completed the problem here. dy by dx becomes, dy by dx becomes summation of 1 and 2. This is the solution for the problem. A recap, just minute. Y involved with two functions, u, y is equal to x power log x power x. So, u and v are two functions. Two are not with a single function, it involves function of functions. So, power term involves x means, remember you take log. So, we are applying log and then we found out the value like this and differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Remember left hand side, as and when you do 1 by u, definitely you write, you forgot write this step. Majority of you are forgot write this. Remember du by dx you must write. And this part, finally we are writing this u, we are carrying over u to right hand side and after that we are simplifying. Likewise, the second step also, taking v, power term involved with x, taking log and we do the simplification. After that we are differentiating with respect to x, applying uv formula, we found out the result. Once again the left hand side we carry over here and finally we got the result 2. Sum of 1 and 2 only result, that we substituted and found the result, got answer. This is a solution for the problem, important sum, very important problem.